Hello, I'm Maru from Delightful Crafts Handmade, and today I'm going to show you how to make roses in a hat box. Before I start this video, don't forget to give me like, share and subscribe and activate the notification bell. In the comment section you can write me your opinion and other ideas you want to see on my channel. You can also find me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Delightful Crafts Handmade. For today I am using polystyrene, black and red roses, clear and red diamonds, ribbon, scissor, glue sticks and glue gun. These are the things you'll need. Let's get started. Enjoy this video and until next time, stay crafty! Okay, my delightful crafters, this is the lovely hat box. It's a wonderful gift for all ladies and definitely very appreciated. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video. Bye!